Hey guys, so it's me again, and my cat is having babies. Well, had them, and look, hold on, I need to turn off flash because there's her, and there's one, there's two, I think there's a third. Yeah, right there. Hey, get off your baby, kitty. So yeah, this is gonna be This video is gonna be revolving around my cat, Kittens. Oh yeah, so now that you know she has babies, let's go make a food baby because I am starving. Because I just got back from school and yeah, they don't really feed us for lunch, dude. Like, oh my god. Let me turn on my game because, of course, I am going to be playing that while making a video. Hold on. Alright, just making sure it's still recording. And yeah, so let's see this. Tuna, my favorite. So yeah, at 5:45. Hold on, let me call my mom. Let me pause the video. All right, guys, I'm back. I had to be at school. Hold on. I had to be at school at 5:45 for this specials showcase thing. So yeah, my video is not going to be that long. It's going to be like 7 minutes or so, around there. And yeah. And I got to take my dog out. So hold on. Let me put this in the microwave. And let's go take him out. Dusty! Come here. You're going out. There's my dog. His name is Dusty. Oh snap. It's raining. Hold on. Let me eat my sandwich. Sandwich is good. It's tuna, which is my favorite kind of sandwich. So yeah, if you guys ever want to send me tuna, that would be nice. There's our neighbor's dog, and there's someone. Doggy. Sorry, our dog and our neighbor's dog are so annoying together. Come on, Dusty. Yeah, while this is uploading, I'm gonna be like making a video at my school, so if you guys want to check this out, yeah. Also, by the way, I do not edit my videos because I don't see a point in it. And it's really hard to edit when you're on a phone. Look at that puddle though. That is like a huge puddle. And man, imagine how deep it is. Every time I put my foot in that puddle, it's like goes up to here. Yeah, by the way, these are J's. So yeah. Oh yeah, in my last video, if you saw me catch the helicopter like that, I was thinking about editing it and putting Thug Life and then circling D's and putting J's. But I was like, you know what? I don't edit. So yeah, let's go check on the cat and her kittens. One, two, three. Looks like she has three. Good job, Mr. Whiskers. Good. Well, yeah. Hopefully she's okay from all that pain. Yeah. And there's my TV. It's huge, and I live in a trailer. But look at the size of that TV, though. Yeah, let's go grab food out of the microwave. My other sandwich. And hold on, let me. Hey, yeah. Yes, there we go. Hopefully that's kind of better. You know what? I'm just turning on this light just so you can see. Sorry if my house is a little messy, but yeah, it's what I really got. Controller. My Turtle Beach headset. At least I can always rely on this. And my ow! And I can rely on this thing and YouTube. So yeah. Two things I can rely on. Oh yeah, by the way, in like sometime soon, I'm getting a turtle. So yeah. Oh, Hezekiah's on. Hold on, wow, that was quick. And he joined. Hezekiah. I'm making a YouTube video right now. So yeah. Let me see if Heath is on. Do my little strip thing I was gonna do with them. Sure. Alright, guys, you're gonna see me play Minecraft. Survival or not. I wonder if anyone's even gonna watch my videos. Cause I've only got like one view. Here it is. Yeah, guys, I just pummeled like 56,000 discs looking for Minecraft. Yeah, when you watch Karen Bonner. Yeah, let me just flip over all these discs, show the peoples how many games I got. And these are only like like discs by themselves. Karen. It's not up. It's not a live video. So B and then space and then space. Tell me once you have that space. B O or yeah B O.